Next topic, comparing decimals. That means which one is greater, which one is smaller. There are certain steps. First one, first compare the whole part. That means whole parts of the decimals. Then the number having greater whole part will be greater. Then if the whole parts are same, then compare the 10th part. If the 10th part also same, then compare the 100th part and so on. We can go through some examples. 14.35, 65.35. Which is greater? First compare the whole parts. Here whole part is 14 and here 65. Which one is greater? 65 is greater than 14. So 65.35 is greater. Then next one, 32.55, 32.5. Here whole part is 32. Here is also 32. Whole parts are same. So we have to consider the next one, that is the 10th part. Here it is 5. Here is also 5. So that is also same. So we have to consider the next one. That means the 100th part. Here it is 5. Here nothing. That means it is 0. So which one is greater? 5 is greater. So 32.55 is greater. Next one, 0.99. Whole part is 1 here. Here what is the whole part? 0. So which one is greater? 1 is greater. Next one, 1.093, 1.09. First compare the whole parts. 1, here is also 1. So compare the next part. Here it is 0, here is also 0. 10th part same. So compare the next part, that is the 100th part. Here it is 9, here is also 9. Then compare the next one, that means the 1000th part. Here it is 3, here nothing, that means 0. So which is greater? The 3 is greater. So 1.093 is greater. Next one, 62.281. 62.281. 62.028. Compare the whole parts. 62, 62. That is same. Compare the 10th part. Here it is 2. Here it is 0. Which one is greater? 2 is greater than 0. So first one is greater. 62.281 is greater. Next one, addition and subtraction of decimals. Addition and subtraction of decimals. First one, addition. Consider the example. 9.50 plus 2.50 plus 3.25. We have to add these three decimals. The first number, how many decimal places are there? 1, 2. The second number also 1, 2. Here also 2 decimal places are there. Since the number of decimal place is 2, in all case we can directly add the numbers just as whole numbers. Write the numbers for 9.50 plus then second number 2.50 plus 3.25. We have to arrange the numbers this way. Keep the point, that means the decimal point, in the same column. Then 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 2 here, carry 1. We have to put the decimal point. Then 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. So 15.25 is the answer. Next example, 0.007 plus 8.5 plus 30.08. We have to add these three numbers. Here in the first number, how many decimal places are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal places are there. Then what about the second number? Only 1 decimal place, and this number 1, 2. 2. First number 3 decimal places, second number only 1, and the last number 2 decimal places are. To add these numbers, first we have to make the decimal places same. That means there will be, we have to make 3 decimal places in the second and third number. Largest number of decimal places is 3. So we have to make 3 decimal places in second number and third number. So 8.5 will become 8.500. To make 3 decimal places, add zeros at last. 1, 2, 3. Now 3 decimal places are there. What about the next number? 30.08. 30.08. 2 decimal places are there. We need 3 decimal places. So add 1 zero at last. 30.080. What about this number? 0.007. Already 3 decimal places are there, so no need to change. 0.007. Now 3 decimal places are there in all the numbers, so we can directly add the numbers. List the numbers, then 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 7, 7, 0 plus 8, 8, 5 plus 0, 5. Put the decimal point, 8, 3. So 38.587. Next question, find the sum of 15, 0.632 and 13.8. Then how many decimal places are there in the first number? No decimal place, only whole part, only one whole part. Then how many decimal places are there in the second number? 1, 2, 3. 3. Then what about this number? 1. So largest number of decimal places is 3. So we have to make 3 decimal places in all numbers. Largest number of decimal places is 3. So 15 we can write as 15.000. 3 decimal places. If we add 0 at last, there will be no change in the value. Then next number 0.632. Already 3 decimal places are there. Write itself 0.632. Then what about this number? 13.8. 13.8 become 13.800. 1, 2, 3. Now 3 decimal places are there. Now we can directly add the numbers. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 0 is also 2. 3. Then 6. 6 plus 8. 14. 4 here. Carry 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Put the decimal point itself here. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. 29.432 is the answer. Next one, subtraction. First question, subtract 18.25 from 20.75. That means 20.75 minus 18.25. Here first number 2 decimal place, next number also 2 decimal place. So we can directly subtract it. 20.75 minus 18.25. 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. Put the decimal point. Then 0 minus 8. It is not possible taking borrow. 0 become 10 and this 2 become 1. 10 minus 8 is 2. 1 minus 1, 0. So 2.50 is the answer. Next one, 11.6 minus 9.847. How many decimal places are here? Only 1. Then what about this number? 1, 2, 3. So largest number of decimal places is 3. So we have to make 3 decimal places in all number. 11.6 become 11.600. Now 3 decimal places. What about 9.847? Write itself 9.847. Then next step, subtraction. 11.600 minus 9.847. 0 minus 7 is not possible. We have to take borrow. Then 0 become 10. This 0 become 9. 6 become 5. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 minus 8 not possible. Again we have to take borrow. Then 5 become 15 and this 1 becomes 0. 15 minus 8 is 7. Then 0 minus 9 not possible. Again we have to take borrow. 10 minus 9 1. 1.753 is the answer. Next one, using decimals. We use decimals in different fields. First one, money. We know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Then 1 paise will be equal to rupees 1 by 100. Rupees 1 by 100. 1 paise equal to rupees 1 by 100. Then 1 by 100 means 0.01. 2 zeros, 2 decimal places. Then what about 5 paise? Then 5 paise means how much rupees? Rupees 5 by 100. 5 paise equal to rupees 5 by 100. That is equal to 0.05 rupees. Rupees 0.05. Then what about 65 paise? 65 paise equal to rupees 65 by 100. Then 2 zeros in the denominator. How can we convert it? 65. Then 0.65 rupees 0.65. 65 paise means rupees 0.65. Then next one, convert 50 paise to rupees. Convert 50 paise to rupees. Then what is the general form? 1 paise equal to rupees 1 by 100. We know that 1 paise equal to rupees 1 by 100. So 50 paise will be equal to rupees 50 by 100. Rupees 50 by 100. Then what is the answer? 2 zeros in the denominator. So rupees 0.50. Next one, convert 105 paise to rupees. Convert 105 paise to rupees. 100 paise equal to rupees 105 divided by 100. By 100. That is equal to rupees 1.05. 2 zeros, 2 decimal places. 1.05. And that is rupees 1 and 5 paise. Rupees 1 and 5 paise. Next usage is length. Next, in the case of length, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then 1 centimeter will be equal to 1 by 100 meters. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. That is equal to 0.01 meter. Then what about 2 centimeter? 2 centimeter will be equal to 2 by 100 meter. 2 by 100 meter. That is equal to 0.02 meters. 0.02 meters. Consider the question. Express the following as meters using decimals. First one, 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter is given. We have to convert this 15 centimeter as meter. What is the general form? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So, 15 centimeter will be equal to 15 by 100 meters. 15 by 100 meters. That is equal to 0.15 meters. 0.15 meters. Next one, 1 meter 32 centimeter. We have to convert this full to meters. 1 meter 32 centimeter. First one is meter, is there 1 meter, so no need to change it. Next one, 32 centimeter. We have to convert this 32 centimeter into meter. Then, what is the general form? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So, 32 centimeter will be equal to 32 by 100 meters. 32 centimeter. 32 centimeter is equal to 32 by 100 meters. That is equal to 0.32 meter. Then 1 meter 32 centimeter. That is the question. That is equal to 1 meter. This 1 meter plus, instead of this 32 centimeter, we can write 0.32 meter. 1 meter plus 0.32 meter. That is equal to 1.32 meter. 1.32 meter. Similarly, we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Then 1 meter will be equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer, which is equal to 0.001 kilometer. Then what about 8 meter? 8 meter means how much kilometer? 8 by 1000. 8 by 1000 kilometer. 8 meter means 8 by 1000 kilometer, which is equal to 0.008 kilometer. Then next one, 88 meter. 88 meter means how much kilometer? 88 by 1000. 88 by 1000 kilometer. 88 meter means 88 by 1000 kilometer, which is equal to 0.3 zeros in the denominator. So, 0.88. 1, 2, 3 decimal places. 0.088 kilometer. Next one, weight. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Then 1 gram will be equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. 1 by 1000 kilogram. That is equal to 0.001 kilogram. Then what about 3 gram? 3 gram means how much kilogram? 3 gram means how much kilogram? 3 by 1000 kilogram. That is equal to 0.003 kilogram. So, to convert gram to kilogram, divide the number by 1000. Then, what about 350 gram? How much kilogram? 350 gram means 350 by 1000 kilogram. Gram, kilogram. Then, what is the answer? 350 by 1000. 1, 2, 3 zeros. So, 0.350 kilogram. Next one, 8640 gram. We have to convert this to kilogram. That is 8640 by 1000 kilogram. That is equal to 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 8.640 kilogram. 8.640 kilogram. Now consider this question. Express 5 kilogram 8 gram as kilograms using decimals. 5 kilogram 8 gram. We have to convert this full to kilogram. Then 5 kilogram, no need to change it. We have no need to change this one. The second one 8 gram. So we have to convert this 8 gram to kilogram. What is the procedure? We have to divide this by 1000. 8 by 1000. 8 gram is equal to 8 by 1000 kilogram, which is equal to 0.008 kilogram. Then 5 kilogram 8 gram, that is the question, that is equal to 5 kilogram plus, instead of this 8 gram we can write 0.008 kilogram. 0.008 kilogram, and that is equal to, you know how to add decimals, then that is equal to 5.008 kilogram. 5.008 kilogram. Now we can solve some word problems. First one, Abhishek had rupees 7.45. He bought toffees for rupees 5.30. Find the balance amount left with Abhishek. What is given? Total amount of money, that is given 7.45. Then amount spent on toffees 5.30. Then what is the question? Find the balance amount left with Abhishek. That means here we have to subtract. We have to find the difference. Balance amount is equal to, total amount is 7.45 and amount spent on toffees rupees 5.30. So balance amount is equal to rupees 7.45 minus rupees 5.30. Then 2 decimal places. So we can directly subtract. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. Put the decimal point. 7 minus 5 is 2. So the balance amount left with Abhishek is 2.15. Next question. Rashid spent rupees 35.75 for maths book and rupees 32.60 for science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. What is given? Amount spent for maths book rupees 35.75. Then money spent for science book rupees 32.60. We have to find total amount. That means we have to find sum. Total money spent is equal to rupees 35.75 plus rupees 32.60. Adding here also 2 decimal places. So we can directly add 5. 7 plus 6 is 13. 3 here. Carry 1 decimal point. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Then 3 plus 3 is 6. 68.35. Total money spent is rupees 68.35. Next question. Rahul bought 4 kilogram 90 gram of apples, 2 kilogram 60 gram of grapes and 5 kilogram 300 gram of mangoes. Find the total weight of all the fruits he bought. Here also we have to find the sum. Then what is given? Weight of apples 4 kilogram 90 gram. 4 kilogram 90 gram. In this question, we have to convert this full to kilogram. That means 4 kilogram, 90 gram to kilogram. 4 kilogram, no need to change this one, 90 gram. We have to convert 90 grams to kilogram. 90 gram is equal to 90 by 1000 kilogram. Then what is the answer? 0.090 kilogram. 1, 2, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 decimal places. Then, so 4 kilogram, 90 gram is equal to 4.090 kilogram. Then, next one, weight of grapes. Weight of grapes, 2 kilogram, 60 gram. 2 kilogram and 60 gram. Here also we have to convert this grams to kilogram. 60 gram means 60 by 1000 kilogram. That is equal to 0.060 kilogram. So weight of grapes is equal to 2.060 kilogram. Then next one, weight of mangoes. 5 kilogram, 300 grams. Here also we have to convert this 300 gram to kilogram. 5 kilogram, 300 gram is equal to 5.300 kilogram. 3 gram. 3 gram means, 300 gram. 300 gram means 300 by 1000 kilogram. 300 gram means 300 by 1000 kilogram. That is equal to 0.300 kilogram. Then total weight of the fruits. Total weight, that means we have to find the sum of these numbers. 4.090 plus 2.060 plus 5.300. Adding 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 6 is 15. 5, carry 1. Then 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. So 11.450 kilogram is the answer. So this chapter is over. Hope you understood. See you in next class.